Mission engineering is a transformative methodology developed by the US Department of Defense. It represents a significant shift where the mission is optimized as a system in a systems of systems approach. So what that means is, rather than prioritizing a particular platform or system or technology, mission engineering seeks to optimize the mission outcome or the mission effect that needs to be delivered by the mission and the system of systems. So mission engineering is not a new concept. It actually has its origins back in the 1960s with NASA. And in that context, their mission was to put a man on the moon. And unfortunately, NASA couldn't go out and buy a space shuttle off the shelf. So they had to look at how do they optimize technologies in a system of systems approach to enable the overall mission, which is getting Neil Armstrong onto the moon.
When we consider the Defence Strategic Review and the implications that are contained within, it is clear that one of the challenges facing defence and facing our nation as a whole is that, due to the changing strategic circumstances, our loss of strategic warning has major implications on the way that defence needs to deliver capability to the warfighter. The implication is that defence needs to deliver faster, defence needs to deliver to minimum viable capability. One of the most important considerations when we looked to set up our mission engineering practice was to look at it more holistically. It was of course important that we look at setting up capabilities and skills within our business to help support defence in delivering programs, but equally we thought it was extremely important for us to consider how we look to set up a training practice alongside of our digital mission engineering practice that would help enable and skill up not just defence, but also defence industry.